Hi friends, it's Miss Sara here from Hudson Area Public Library. Welcome to our weekly play and learn video. Hi Leo, hi Danny, hi Fernando, hi Natalie, hi Adrian, hi Declan, hi Joanne, hi Lainey, hi Ashlyn, hi Griffin, hi Isabel, hi Annika, hi Kira, hi Sarita, hi Owen, hi Mason, hi Ava, hi Nicholas, hi Autumn, hi Harvey, hi Alice, hi Henry, hi to everybody else. Thanks for joining me. Well, if I didn't say hi to you and you're watching regularly, or even if you just watch once in a great while, feel free to email the library and let us know who's watching so I can say hi to you too. All right, should we start our play and learn video with the welcome train? Let's stand up and get our train arms going. Remember, we do our train arms like by the wheel of the train. And first we'll say the welcome train is coming, all aboard. And then we'll go choo choo and try each time to switch which arm you use, okay? Here we go. The welcome train is coming, all aboard. Choo choo. The welcome train is coming, all aboard. Choo choo. The welcome train is coming. The welcome train is coming. The welcome train is coming, all aboard. Choo choo. How about we stomp our feet? The welcome train is coming, stomp your feet. The welcome train is coming, stomp your feet. The welcome train is coming, the welcome train is coming. The welcome train is coming, stomp your feet. Now should we jump up and down? The welcome train is coming, jump up and down. The welcome train is coming, jump up and down. The welcome train is coming, the welcome train is coming. The welcome train is coming, jump up and down. Okay, for our last verse, we'll wave hello. The welcome train is coming, wave hello, hello. The welcome train is coming, wave hello, hello. The welcome train is coming. The welcome train is coming. The welcome train is coming. Wave hello. Hello. Well, today, friends, our theme is counting and numbers. If you made it to watch our story time yesterday, we were talking about Thanksgiving and counting our blessings. So today, we only have one turkey activity since Thanksgiving is Thursday, but we have a lot of different number and counting activities. The first thing we're going to do is start with a song, the Counting Pokey. So we'll do 1 through 5. We've got 5 fingers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And grown-ups, this is really good for coordination to try and get the right number of fingers up, which is really hard when we're just starting to show our fingers. But it all works together and helps train our brain. So we're going to sing the Counting Pokey, and we put one finger up, then we put one finger down, we put one finger up, and we shake it all around. Okay? So here we go. You put one finger up, you put one finger down, you put one finger up, and you shake it all around. You do the Counting Pokey, counting up and down. That's how we learn to count. Yay! Now should we do 2 fingers? You put 2 fingers up, you put 2 fingers down. You put 2 fingers up and you shake them all around. You do the Counting Pokey, counting up and down. That's how we learn to count. Yeah! Okay, here's 3 fingers. You put 3 fingers up, you put 3 fingers down, you put 3 fingers up, and you shake them all around. You do the Counting Pokey, counting up and down. That's how we learn to count. Yeah. Okay, now it's time for 4. You put 4 fingers up, you put 4 fingers down, you put 4 fingers up, and you shake them all around. You do the Counting Pokey, counting up and down. That's how you learn to count. Yeah! Okay, our last one, 5. You put 5 fingers up, you put 5 fingers down, you put 5 fingers up, and you shake them all around. You do the counting pokey, counting up and down. That's how we learn to count. Yay! Okay, the counting pokey, how fun. Well, we talked about counting up and down. We counted up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count backwards? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Well, now we have a fun flannel board for you. So I'm just going to move things over and get them set up with our flannel board. And this flannel board is about 5 elephants in the bathtub. Okay, let's see here. Let me just get this pointed right so you guys can see our 5 elephants in the bathtub. So I'm going to need your help with this, okay? Here I have a bathtub that we'll put up on the flannel board. So for 5 elephants in the bathtub, it's just a chant, and you can chant along with me, and we're going to say like 1 elephant in the bathtub going for a swim. So then we're going to pretend that we're swimming. Can you do that? Pretend that you're swimming? There you go. And then there's going to be a knock at the door. So we'll go knock, knock. And so when we're knocking, clap your hands. And then splash, splash. You can pat your legs or pat the table or whatever you want, okay? And then we'll say, come on in. So you'll do that, a symbol like come on in, okay? And then we'll do this all the way to 5, okay? And then we'll say they all fell in. Ready? Here we go. 1 elephant in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. 2 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. Now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. Can you put up 3 fingers? 3 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. Now what do we have? 4 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. Okay, now we've got 5. Are they all gonna fit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we go. Hold up your fingers. 5 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. They all fell in. Okay. How did you like that one? Was that fun? All right. Well, I'm just going to take these down, and in a minute we'll have another flannel board story. But first, we're going to do 2 little turkeys. Okay? So, I've got 2 little turkeys. 1 and 2. 2 little turkeys sitting on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Run away, Jack. Run away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Should we do it again? 2 little turkeys sitting on a hill. One named Jack and the other named Jill. Run away, Jack. Run away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. So you can be doing this along with me, and you could pretend that these are your turkeys or these are your turkeys, because your hands kind of look like turkey feathers, don't they? So you could say, 2 little turkeys sitting on a hill, one named Jack and the other named Jill. Run away, Jack. Run away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Okay. Well, I hope you had fun with that. Now we have some number fun. So I'm going to put the numbers up on the board. Let's see here. What number is that? Did you say the number 4? You're right. And how about this one? That's the number 5. What about this one? That's the number 1. Okay, here we have a number 9. And this one looks very similar to the 9. It's a number 6. Okay, what number is that? That's the number 3. We'll move 9 down here, and here is the number 8. We can't forget the number 2. And we've got, what number is this? The number 7. And one more number, it's a big one. That's the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's time for counting fun. Let's begin with number 1. You know the next number to choose. It's our old friend, number 2. Can you hold up 2 fingers? Okay, but that's not the only number we'll see. After the number 2 comes the number 3. Numbers, we need more. Can you say more numbers? Come on. Just in time. Here's number 4. Do you notice, friends, how our words are rhyming too? We need more. Here comes 4. Okay, what do you think is going to rhyme with our next number? What's our next number? Number 5. Okay. Goodness gracious, sakes alive. Oh my gosh. It's number 5. So alive and 5 rhyme, don't they? Okay, let's keep counting just for kicks. Next in line is number 6. Counting numbers is just great. Let's add some more. 7 and 8. The next to last number in our line is certainly the number 9. I'm afraid this game must end because we've reached the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So did you do your fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 fingers and 10 numbers. Okay. Well, I hope you liked that number story. The number stories that we're doing today are a little bit different than the number stories you get when you get in school, aren't they? For those of you that are in school, you're probably taking numbers and counting up and counting down and learning all different things about numbers. Okay, well now we have 5 green and speckled frogs. We started with 5 elephants, didn't we? But now we have a log, speckled log, that we will just put across our flannel board. And should we count our frogs? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to bring our log out a little bit. We don't have enough space. There we go. 5. So, do you know the song 5 Green and Speckled Frogs? Goes 5 green and speckled frogs, sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green and speckled frogs, sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there were 1, 2, 3 green speckled frogs. Okay, can you guys sing along with me? We've got 3 green and speckled frogs, sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. 1, 2. Here we go with the next one. 2 green and speckled frogs, sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there's just 1 green speckled frog. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs. The end. Okay. Well, we have had lots of flannel songs, flannel stories, and you know what? I've got one more for you. Have you guys heard about 5 monkeys swinging in a tree? So get your hands ready again. We've got another one with 5. So, here I have a tree. There we go. And we've got 5 monkeys. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we have an alligator. Here we go. So, 5 monkeys, right? 5 little monkeys are sitting in the tree. So I need you guys to help me with this, because what we're going to say is the 5 little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. So let's act like we're teasing him. Oh, okay, teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator. So you can go like this, silly as can be, and snap that monkey right out of the tree. Because I think he wants to play, right? Okay. So we'll do that. We'll start with 5 and then we'll count down. In the beginning, when we did the counting pokey, we counted up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like we did with the speckled frogs. Okay, so hold up your fingers. 5 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, silly as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 4 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, silly as can be, and snapped that monkey right out of the tree. Now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, silly as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. Now how many do we have? 1, 2, Two little monkeys swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, silly as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. One little monkey swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, silly as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. Now, do you think Mr. Alligator and the monkeys are going to go play? Maybe. Okay, we have done lots of counting today. A lot of counting to number 5, but we also counted to the number 10 too. Numbers are so fun, and there's so many great things that we can do with them, aren't there? It's fun to count. You can count if you're waiting. If your grown-up says, I can't help you right now, maybe you can count and see how high you can count. You can count to 5 or count to 10 and then see if you can do it 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. And counting can help pass the time too, can't it? Okay, well, in just a minute here, we're going to sing our goodbye song, which is the Goodbye Train. But I know a lot of our Storytime friends love trains. Do you love trains? So I have the counting train. The counting train has numbers on its cars, but the cars are all out of order. Can you help me put these cars in order? Do you see the numbers? This one has the number 1. This one has the number 3. This one has the number 5. This one has the number 4. This one, can you see, is the number 2. And this one, that looks like a caboose. And it's the number 6. So where should I put these train cars if we want them in order? What number should we start with? Did you say the number 1? That's right. Should we start with the number 1? Have that in the front. And then what one? The number 2? What color is the number 2 train car? Did you say green? You're right. So we'll put number 2 behind number 1. What comes next? 1, 2, 3. What color is train car number 3? Did you say yellow? You're right. So we'll put number 3 on our train. What comes after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are so smart. What color is train car number 4? Is it red or pink or blue? Is that the number 4? No, that's not the number 4. How about this one? Yes, you're right. That's the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number comes next? The number 5. You're right. And here's the number 5. And then last is our caboose, which is number 6. So we would line it all up just like a train. What do you think? There's our number train. And now it's time to put our train away and to stand up and do the goodbye train. I hope that all of our Storytime friends have a wonderful Thanksgiving this week, whether you're doing what you always do or doing something different because of COVID and we're all supposed to stay home and stay safe. And I know my family had to cancel our plans, but we're still going to have fun just around the house. Maybe make some cookies and talk about what we're thankful for, put up a tent, and just have some fun. So I hope you guys have lots of things to be thankful for. Next time I see you, I want to know what they are. I miss you guys all so much. But shall we do the goodbye train? So we get our train arms going and we say, the goodbye train is coming, wave goodbye. Here we go. The goodbye train is coming. Wave goodbye. Goodbye. The goodbye train is coming. Wave goodbye. Goodbye. The goodbye train is coming. The goodbye train is coming. The goodbye train is coming. Wave goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, friends. Here's a high five.